Hello dear students, welcome to the market behavior and cost analysis class. As all of you knew that in our previous class, we are going to study about the profit maximization. And there we saw the meaning of profit maximization and the advantages and disadvantages of profit maximization. Now let's move to study about the wealth maximization. Before moving for the detailed study about the wealth maximization, first of all you should have to know the meaning of wealth maximization. Then what do you mean by wealth maximization here? Here, wealth maximization is a process that increases the net current value of the business. Okay, that will increases what? The net current value of the business or shareholders' capital gain with the objective of bringing in the highest possible return. Yes, wealth maximization is the process that increases the net current value of the business. Then what is profit maximization? That will increases the profitability of the business. Okay, the profit maximization will increases what? The profitability of the business, and the wealth maximization will increases the net current value of the business. This is very important. Okay, this is what a very simple meaning for the wealth maximization. Now, next one here, the wealth maximization strategy generally involves making sound financial investment. Okay, here the wealth maximization strategy generally involves what? Making sound financial investment decisions which takes into consideration any risk factor that would compromise or outweigh the anticipated benefits. Okay, this point is very important because here wealth maximization strategy generally involves what? Making sound financial investments decisions which takes into consideration any risk factor that would compromise or outweigh the anticipated benefits. Now let's see this next topic, that is features of wealth maximization. Now let's see in detail the features of wealth maximization. In that the first one is protection of interest of shareholders. Okay, this is one of the important feature of what? The wealth maximization. It will protect what? The interest of the shareholders. Next one is security to financial lenders. It will provide the security to the financial lenders. Next, protection of interest of employees. It will also protect the interest of the employees as well as the shareholders' interest and employees' interest. Next, survival management. Next one is interest of society. Okay, interest of society means it will help to the welfare of the society. Next, okay, these all are what? Some of the important features of wealth maximization. Now, let's see the advantages and disadvantages of wealth maximization. Let's see the advantages of wealth maximization, or you may also call it as the favorable arguments of wealth maximization. In that the first one is wealth maximization is a clear term, hence the present value of cash flow is considered. Okay, here wealth maximization is what? It is a clear term, so it considers only the present value while preparing what? The cash flow. Next, the net effect of investment and the benefit can be measured clearly. Okay, here the net effect of investment and the benefit can be measured or can be calculated very clearly. Next, wealth maximization is superior to profit maximization. Why it is superior to profit maximization? Because the main aim of the business concern under this concept is to promote the wealth of the shareholders. Okay, the main aim of the profit maximization is what? To earn the maximum profit, and the main aim of the wealth maximization is what? To promote the wealth of the shareholders. So wealth maximization is superior to the profit maximization. Now the next one is wealth maximization considers the comparison of the value of cost associated with the business concern. Okay, it considers what? The comparison of the value of cost associated with the business concern. Next, wealth maximization considers both time and risk of the business concern. It will consider the time as well as the risk factor of the business concern. The next one is it provides efficient allocation of the resources. It will help to allocate the resources very efficiently. Okay, and lastly, it ensures the economic interest of the society. It will looks at what here? The economic interest of the society. These all are some of the favorable arguments in favor of what here? The wealth maximization, or you may also call it as the advantages of wealth maximization. Now the next one is unfavorable arguments or the disadvantages of wealth maximization. Here wealth maximization is also has some of the disadvantages. Now what are those disadvantages? In that the first one is wealth maximization is also nothing but profit maximization, because the aim of the wealth maximization objective is to maximize the profit. Okay, here wealth maximization is also one kind of the profit maximization. Okay, as it wants to create the wealth, or as it wants to earn the maximum wealth, it is what? Instead of wealth, it leads to what? To maximize the profit, just like the profit maximization. Now the second point, it creates ownership management controversy. It may create what? The ownership management of controversy. Okay, who will become the owner of that wealth? Okay, it may create the controversy among the shareholders. And the third one is management alone also enjoys certain benefits. Okay, this is very important. Here management will what? Enjoys certain benefits instead of the shareholders. Next one is wealth maximization can be activated only with the help of the profitability position of the business concern. Here wealth maximization can be activated only when the firm will earn the maximum profit. So it depends on what? Wealth is depends on the profit. Okay, see here, that is why the wealth maximization can be activated only with the help of the profitability position of the business concern. Now we saw the meaning of wealth maximization and also the features of wealth maximization and advantages and disadvantages of wealth maximization. And now in the next class we will study the difference between profit maximization and wealth maximization in detail. And still then, thank you everyone.